Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Ahad. My name is Ahad, I'm your personal English teacher. So, viewers across the globe, in this video, we will dive into the power of language and will review three advanced words that will elevate your introduction and make your sound confident and articulate. From networking events to job interviews, these powerful words will help you and stand out from the crowd and leave a lasting impression. Learn how to use them effectively and take your communication skills to the next level. And if you are new to this channel, I give a warm welcome you to this channel. This channel is all about to help you speak English with clarity and confidently with weekly video resources. I'm watching my dish, but not yet you have subscribed my channel. Please subscribe my channel, like the video and share this video with your friends. Okay, without wasting a single second, now let's get started. So now let's start with our first advanced word. It is amiable. Amiable. Amiable means friendly, friendly, friendly. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of amiable. Miss Shazia's amiable personality amazed everyone in the meeting. Miss Shazia's amiable personality amazed everyone in the meeting. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is candid. 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 Candid means honest and straightforward. Honest and straightforward. Honest and straightforward. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of Candid. The chief engineer Candid proposal was approved by CM. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is capricious. 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 Capricious means unpredictable. Unpredictable. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of capricious. The politicians of the time are mostly capricious. The politicians of the time are mostly capricious. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, viewers, that's it for today. But one thing is remaining. It is the time of tongue twister. Okay, viewers, now let me try tongue twister. And you might be asking why you are taking tongue twister in the end of your lesson. My answer is very simple. If you want to speak English like a native English speaker, yes, you need to try tongue twister, and tongue twister is the only way and only tip that can help us to speak English just like a native English speaker without wasting a single second. Now let's get started. So the tongue twister is red leather, yellow leather, 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 red leather, yellow leather. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Now see you in the next video. Goodbye.